Fuck.
I remember the way you glanced at me as I remember. Hey, ELISHA CARLISLE here and welcome back to my channel! Oh my gosh, where am I? Anong panahon na to? For today's video, I am going to share to you some of the best vintage/retro Instagram story filters that I've tried so far. I personally use a lot of IG filters on my Instagram account, so be sure to follow me there. So without further ado, let me show you some vintage filters.
This filter lives by its name because whenever I use this filter, it totally is unique. It has these grains and brownish tone which gives us an old photo kind of vibe. What I love about this filter, aside from its very retro, is that you can add some real-time date and time on your Instagram story. You can also remove the date or time if you opt to use the beauty of its filter alone just by tapping the screen to change. I just love that it's really vintage at dahil may pari sa pangalan ng filter. Not so vintage, but I love this filter because it's very convenient. You get 7 more filters just by saving one. This palette is very neutral, which I really love. My favorites are 1, 5, and 7. I had so much fun as soon as I discovered this filter. Whenever I use this filter, I tend to take more photos than I usually do. However, majority of the pics I take ay nakatambay lang pa rin sa camera roll. I just recently found out this filter and I fell in love with it instantly. I love that the frame is not so opaque, the grains aren't too strong, and the color is everything. Another filter with frames. I think it's now quite obvious that I love using filters with frames. Love this because you can choose from 3 frames in one filter. Ito na talaga ang totoong mirror selfie sis. This filter is quite popular. There are a lot of mirrors to choose from and everything looks so dainty. Another new discovery that became my instant favorite. I was so overwhelmed nung nakalimutan kong i-screen record ang part na to. This filter looks better with flash. My favorites are 1, 5, and 7. This is one of the OG retro filter on Instagram, which makes us remember a bit of our childhood. Everything's just so cute and nice and it never gets old. Lakas makathrowback. This is similar from the previous filter, however this is much less girly and older, I guess. I remember playing too much snakes from this phone. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. I just love the vibe it gives. This one is also better with flash. This filter is an old favorite of mine. Look at that rainbow light streak on the upper right side. It's so perfect. What I love about this filter is that the time and day do not take a lot of space in your screen. Very minimal and of course vintage. There are a lot of filters named vintage on Instagram and each of them has something to offer. What makes this certain filter unique is that you can adjust the opacity of your filter just by swiping up or down. I'm not quite sure if this is vintage, but this reminds me of the old computers we have back then, nung hindi pa uso yung mga flat screen. This is one of the lakas makaganda filters on Instagram. It makes your skin glow and gives your lips and cheeks a bit color.
And that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and I really hope that you liked my filter suggestions, and if you did, comment down below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a video. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Mwah!